What's going on, everybody? Today's the day. Got the angle kit in. Heat Lightning Speed Shop angle kit for the GS. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Here we go. So I think it took about a week, a little over a week to get this shipped out to me. I don't know if they make these to order or not. First thing is a sticker. Speed Shop Heat Lightning Imports. Pretty cool. I did order that, so I wanted a sticker. We got some cotter pins right here. Everything I ordered. Thank you for purchasing. It's important to check for grease and all your new ball joints, as they may come not come pre. Okay. All right. First, extended brake lines. Second, shortened ball joint. Another shortened ball joint. Nice. Back this up. Extended tie rod end. There's another one. Back all the stuff up. Extended lower control arm. Extended lower control arm. Start that way. That's it. I have the seat rails coming in a separate package because I know I still need to do those. First thoughts, they look good. Glad they painted it. Big old chunk of metal right there. Look good. I like how they use their color. I think this is their color on the shortened ball joint. Right, left, nice. Assuming the cotter pins are for these. A nice extended tie rod. Awesome. Here's a closer look. So they chop it, lower it, or shorten it. You can see where they welded it over. I don't know how much they shorten it, but that's why I decided to go with them on everything. Lowers, ball joints, and extended tie rods. There are other companies that make ball joints or just the bracket for the ball joint, but this kit is supposed to work together, so that's why I went with them. And they specialize in Lexus stuff, so I had to support them because I like Lexus stuff. You can see right here where they extended that, and they extended it right here. So I believe I went 1.5 inch lower, 1.5 inch longer lowers. I believe these are 2-inch extended tie rod ends, and then there's no option for these. That is what it is. And then in doing so, we got longer cables for the brakes with some banjo bolts, which are very nice. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the kit so far. Cotter pins. A little scratched up right here, but I'm not picky. this stuff's gonna go where I won't see it, so I'm not too worried about the paint. I am more worried about the quality of the welds. And they do look thick, so no undercut. A little bit right there, but nothing too crazy. Everything looks within tolerance. So I'm happy with it. I'm excited to see how much steering angle I get. So. Alright, first I'm just going to start by taking it apart. I want to take all the old parts off and put them next to the new parts and see the difference, see how much they shortened it, do stuff like that. So let me get started. I got time lapse all this stuff, so here we go. Okay, we got the lowers off, ball joint off, tie rod end. I gotta get the lower ball joint off, and then we'll compare everything. I'm gonna take this heat shield off, and might replace my studs. So. Good. Okay, as you can see, big difference in the lower ball joints. Not only is it shortened, but you can see this is more offset, this is more flat. So when your car is at normal height, but when you lower it, there's more tension on your tie rods. So that's why they do that. And you can see Big difference. Big difference. Where's my tape measure? Let's see. Center to center about 3 1/4. These are about just over 2 inches, like 2 1/16. That's practically flat. That's almost 2 inches. Yeah, a little less. So you can see big difference. Let's move to the tie rod end. You can see 2 inches longer. There you go. Make up for the 2 inch longer lower control arm. Let me take this off real quick. And as you can see here, massive difference. 1.5 inches. So with all that, that's what makes up their angle kit. Okay, I just realized I had it backwards also. I'm just fried brain right now. Now, wait. Am I confused? Why am I confused right now? Is this all wrong? Oh, it's the same lower control arm. Oh, it goes like this. Dude, I am very brain dead right now. Now we have an angle kit. Alright, took the heat shield off because I think it was going to be in the way. Right there. I believe this goes here and here. With these guys. There we go. 17. There we go. Got the new lower on. Let's get it back in the car and keep going. Just realized it was too high. Too light. Okay. Got the wheel on. It's just mocked up, nothing crazy. Make a better angle. Alright, let's see. Obviously the car's not under load, but get an idea of what we're working with now. Damn. Hitting something. What are we hitting? We're hitting the tie rod end. Oof. Wow. Not hitting anything on that side. Probably just can't run these big ass wheels in, which is fine. Definitely more angle. See what happens when it's on the ground. Alright, after a few hours, got the other side buttoned up. Need to do a toe alignment on it, but we got it. We got it. Oh, look at that. Definitely towed in a lot right now. I don't know if you can see it. Definitely. I'm gonna do a steering angle. I'm gonna do the steering angle, see the before and after, and I'm gonna go home because I'm exhausted. So.